This tutorial will guide you how to remove the high-tech circuit launcher on your Android phone. Now ensure that you follow these instructions very carefully. Now open your settings, scroll up here and then tap the gear icon to open up your settings. Scroll down to select on apps. Now search here for high. Click here on the high-tech circuit launcher and then scroll down, you'll see on home screen. Now make sure to select your default home app. Now my default home app for Samsung phone is One UI Home. So ensure that you select your default home app for your phone. But for me, my default home app for Android is One UI Home. So once you select it, it will return back to default. Now what you need to do, just tap on your settings to open up your settings again. Scroll down and select on apps. Now search again for high-tech circuit launcher, click on it, and then select here uninstall. So click OK to uninstall this application, as it will ask you, do you want to uninstall this app? Just click OK. Now also click OK. If you return back here, you'll see your phone will return back to your normal launcher. If your wallpaper has changed, then to change your wallpaper back to default, hold on to your screen and then select on themes. Now choose the wallpaper that you're using. Now my default wallpaper was found here, so select on it, then select here on default, then click apply. It will start applying the theme. If I come back here, you can see my wallpaper has changed back to default and I was able to remove the high-tech circuit launcher on my Android phone.